start. Go ahead.
Once upon a time, there lived a shopkeeper. He went to market. Then he lost his purse. He announced that, "Who will give my purse? I will give them a reward." Then an old woman got his purse and gave the purse to the shopkeeper. And old woman asked him, "Please give me my reward." He told that, "Where was my 100 gold coins?" He told woman, No, I did not taken gold coins." Then he told, "Let us go to palace. The king will tell who is telling lies." Then they went to palace. "Oh king, the shopkeeper is telling lies." No. The shopkeeper is telling, No, she is telling lies." Okay, the king told to the old woman, "Tell your problems." She said that, "I saw in the purse only 100 gold coins was there." Okay, now the shopkeeper told the king. The shopkeeper told, "No, there were 200 gold coins." After some time, told to the shopkeeper that that was not yours purse, because in that purse only 100 gold coins were there. Moral of the story is always be honesty and don't be greedy. Sir, finish.
Yeah, we should not have greedy soul. At last, what will happen is that the purse is near liar. Yeah, unmute.
Sir, old woman only got a purse 100 gold coins because she is very honesty.
Yes. Wonderful story. Yes, we should not have greedy. We should not have that much desire towards anything. Yeah, good. So we'll take wonderful story. Yes, we'll keep in YouTube also. Everyone will watch. Yes. Next, who is ready? Okay, Lakshmi Prasanna is. Are you there? Put on your video and mic.
Sir, I didn't said, sir. I didn't prepare today's story. The power of concentration. When Swami Vivekananda was in America, some boy standing on bridge and tried to shoot eggshells that were holding in the water. He failed. Say again first, will you say?
Yes, go ahead. Yes, tell from first.
Sir.
Yes.
The power of concentration. When Swami Vivekananda was in America, some boy standing on the bridge was talking. The power of concentration.
No problem. You
When
can go
Swami
on telling.
Vivekananda
Okay, no
was
problem.
in America, some boy standing on the bridge and trying to shoot eggshells that were holding in the water. They failed almost every time. Vivekananda, watching from a distance, went close to them, took the gun and fired 12 times, and every time he fired, he hit the eggshells. The surprised boys asked fired. A surprised boy asked him how he did it. He replied, "Whatever you are doing, keep, keep your whole mind on it. It's shooting. Your mind should be only on the target. If you are listening the young lessons and think only on the lesson."
Yes. Moral of the story is concentration is most
Sir.
important. Yeah, tell me. Yes, we have to. Yes. Concentration is the moral of the story. Without concentration,
Yes, sir.
every work will be Not completed properly. Yeah. Next, M. Hamsini also
Sir,
ready.
mute.
Yes, mute. Next, M. Hamsini. Are you there, M. Hamsini? Yes, put on your video.
Sir, but I tell the story in Telugu.
Telugu story.
Sir, shall I start?
Yes, go ahead.
అనగనగా ఒక ఊరిలో ఒక ఆమె ఉండేది. ఆమె చాలా దొంగతనాలు చేస్తూ ఉండేది. అయితే ఒక రోజు రాజుకి ముగ్గురు వ్యక్తుల మీద అనుమానం వస్తుంది. అయితే తెనాలి రామలింగర్ను పిలిచి ఈ ముగ్గురు వ్యక్తుల్లో ఎవరు దొంగతనం చేస్తారో చెప్పమని అడుగుతారు. అయితే తెనాలి రామలింగడు ఒక కుక్క దగ్గరకు తీసుకెళ్ళి దాని తోకని ముట్టమంటాడు. దాని తోకకి సెంట్ వేస్తాడు, కానీ అది చెప్పాడు. దాని తోకని ముడితే అది అరుస్తుంది అని చెప్తాడు. అయితే అప్పుడు తెనాలి ముగ్గురు వ్యక్తులు అందులో ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తులు ముడతారు, కానీ ఒక దొంగతనం చేసిన ఆమె ముట్టదు. తర్వాత తెనాలి రామలింగడు వాళ్ళ చేతిని స్మెల్ చేస్తాడు. అయితే ఈమె ముట్టుకోలేదని తెలిసి తిననే దొంగ అని చెప్తాడు.
Okay. Wonderful story. Yes. Good. So, what's the moral of the story?
Sir, be truthful.
Yes, if you won't be truthful at the end of the day, at any cost of time, for your parents also, for everyone, you will be caught. Yes, any thief in real life also, the thief also caught by the police, not at that time only, but it takes sometimes for members, for talented thieves, it takes some more time, but everyone will be caught. So that's why honesty, truthful, these all are God's valuable things. You have to follow them strictly. Yes. Right. Next, we're ready to tell the stories. Okay, we'll move towards moral stories now. Yes. So examination will be, maybe not will be, it may be on 7th August, so that's why you must get ready. Maybe, but it's not confirmed by the officials. That's why I'm not confirming you. So, but anyway, you get ready. Yes, which story? What is the story name? M. Hamsini, what is the name of the story?
Cracked pot story.
Cracked pot is
Pot.
okay. How can I find in this many 100 stories? Cracked, yes, I can find. Still, I can find. Cracked pot. Okay, it's the story of. Okay. What is the full name of the chapter name? What is the full chapter name? Cracked pot. Let's see the. It's not showing now.
Sir, the cracked pot.
The
Sir, the
cracked pot.
cracked
Okay.
pot.
The cracked pot.
Sir, here Hannah, sir, 36036.
Okay. Page number 26.
36.
Push determination. Page number 26. Yes, cracked pot. Amazing. Yes, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. This only now. Yes, go ahead. First, what happened?
Of
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
a man came out of his home to admire his
Once upon a time, there was a water bearer in India who had two larger pots, each hung on each end of a pole which he carried across his neck. One of the pots had a crack in it, and while the other pot was perfect, always delivered a full portion of water at the end of the long walk from the stream to the pot was full. Once upon a time, there was a water butter in India. Another time, water was in India. He had two very large pots in India. Each hung of each end of a pole which he carried across his neck. He carried the two pots on the pole and his neck. One of the pots had a crack in it. One pot has cracked, and while the other pot was perfect and always delivered a full portion of water, and second pot was perfect and delivered in the long walk from the stream to the master's house. Some time after a long walk, he reached his master's house. The cracked pot has only half of water in it. For a full 2 years, he spent on daily with the bearer, delivering only one and a half pot full of water in his master's house. On 2 years, the bearer goes like daily with one of full and another pot with half. Of course, the perfect pot was proud of its accomplishment, perfect to and for which it was made, but the full cracked pot was ashamed of its own imperfection and miserable that it was able to accomplish only half of what it had been made to. The two pots were and the not cracked pot was very proud of its accomplishment. Perfect for the end of his master's house. Another pot was ashamed of its own because it not go to full with his master's house. After 2 years of what is preserved to be a bitter failure, it spoke to the water bearer one day by the stream. I am ashamed of myself and I want to apologize to you. Why? Asked the bearer. What are you ashamed of? I have been able for these past 2 years to deliver on half my load because this is crack in my side causes water to leak out all the way back to you, go master's house because of my flaws. You have to do all of this work and you do not get full value from your effort. The pot said the water bearer felt sorry of the old cracked pot on in his compassion. He said as he returns to master's house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path. After 2 years, the pot asked to her master, I was ashamed myself and I won't apologize to you. He said to his master, I was only ashamed by mine and I was to ask you question. What are you ashamed of? His master asked the pot. I have been able for these past 2 years to deliver on half my life because this is cracked in my side causes water to leak out all the way back to your mother's house. The pot tell to his mother, I was being able for the only half of the my lord because it was cracked in my side causes water to leak. Because of my flaws, you have to do all of this work and you do not get full value from your efforts. The pot said. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot and his companion. He said, the master of the pot tell to water bearer, I am sorry for the old cracked pot, tell the master. And he was tell that I want you to notice, he tell to the pot, be beautiful flowers along the pot. Indeed, as they went up the hill, the old cracked pot took notice of the sun warning, the beautiful wildflowers on the side of pot, and this cheered some. In the path of the flowers were not getting water. So your cracks, some water were leaking over to the flowers in the path. But at the end of the trail, it still fell back because it had leaked out half its load. And so again, it applauded to the bearer for its failure. The bearer said to the pot, did you notice that there were flowers only on your side of your path, but not on the other spot side? Again there, the old cracked pot was applauded. The bearer said to his pot, do you notice that were the flowers only on your side of your path? The bearer said to the pot, the flowers were only to you on your side, but not on the flowers to the other spot side. That's because have always known about your flower, and I took advantage of it and planted flower seeds on your side of the path. And every day while we walk back from the stream, you will water them for 2 years. I have been able to pick these beautiful flowers to decorate my master's table. Without you being just the way you are, he could not have this beauty to grace his house. The master said to the another part, I planted seeds. I planted the seeds on your side of the path because your leaf water was decorate the master's table, but the another pot were not able to beauty the guest his house. Each of us has our own unique flaw, but it's the cracks and flaws we each have that make our life together so very interesting on gardening. You were just got to take each person for what they all look for the good in the
Yeah, wonderful story. It has a beautiful story. It has lots of meaning. Everyone has talent. No one is less. Everyone are equal, but their due to some certain time or due to their past situation means till now how you have worked, you are like that. Have you understood? Yes, it's actually wonderful story. So everyone, not only all, for everyone it will be applies. So because of that stolen but broken pot only, he became he got flowers like that only. Till now, if you are also, whatever you may do, but it will be useful. Okay, that's the moral of the story. Every no one is lesser, no one is higher, but the comparison will come in certain area. Means certain area means in certain, now if sir will keep the test means he will, in that test sir will find the who are top. But that doesn't mean that he is top in all areas. Okay, everyone will have all every their own, their unique talent. Okay, yes, that's why you must have that, at least that confidence. I will also great, I am also grateful for something. Okay, right, next to this Maitreyi also told, I will tell the story. Yes, Maitreyi, unmute yourself. Good, wonderful narration, Amsini. Yes, next Maitreyi, unmute. Yes, yeah, we have only 5 minutes, you can complete within 2 minutes. Yes, are you ready? Yes, if you, yes, you raise your hand, else we will end the class. Are you ready, Maitreyi?
Sir, how many minutes again?
5 minutes is there. You will explain it or you will narrate without seeing.
Sir, she answered.
Okay, you will explain. We'll take tomorrow. We have less time now. Yes. So you have to prepare. You have to practice more time. That's why I'm giving you more time, and I also practice for my exam. For me also, exams will be conducted within this month or maybe next month. So have you understood what's the intention of that story? Everyone has unique potential or unique talent, but why we are becoming down means in certain area we are not becoming topper. Means if you want to become topper or if you want to get good marks in Navodaya like this SAR grand test, what do you have to do? You have to practice regularly. Understood? You are not practice without you are not spending at least 4 to 5 hours in this day, and you are aiming 95 plus marks, 90 plus marks. You can't even get 70 plus marks also. Not even, you are unable to. Okay, it is very hard for you to at least get 80 plus marks. So that's why what you have to do, you should not waste your time. Okay, this study is also most important. Understood? Yes, you can spend time on these songs or listening to songs or listening to watching. Don't watch movies till the examination date. Okay, they will, in your mind what will become is their movies only will you are able to remember. Okay, have you remembered any time in the examination or some incidents of movies or some incidents of your life? Okay, that's why before at least this month of time, you input to your mind only these passages or this mathematics formulas, it is maths, all lessons, and mental ability, those are all topics. Okay, you can, if you are free time, if you having time means you can go on doing all the previous years or has sent those papers, only mental ability, or you can go on doing maths problems also. Okay, is you can choose one separate chapter. Okay, separate topic you choose and you do that. I think you are already having those PPT, this previous PPTs. Okay, you can do those again, practice them 2 to 3 times, go on practicing like that, then only you'll get the confidence. Okay, right, that's why while practicing only we'll get the confidence. Without doing anything we won't get nothing, we will get nothing. So you have to practice for anything we need practice and implementation of those practicing means at that time you have to implement. Yes, right. Okay, children, all the best.